In this short tutorial, you will learn how to make a private server on Roblox Mobile. A private server allows you to play games with just your friends. This makes the experience more fun and personal. You can control who joins and have a great time together without random players. To get started, open up the Roblox mobile app and then find the game where you want to create a private server. For example, I'm going to search for Adopt Me. Select it from the search results. Then bring this up and scroll down to the bottom. Then tap Servers. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option to create a private server. So the thing is that, many games allow you to do this for free. However, keep in mind that some games may require you to spend Robux to create a private server. If it does cost Robux, there will be a price listed. To make a private server on Roblox, tap on this button. Then type in a server name. And then tap Buy Now. Now you can tap Join and start playing. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.